My name is Jesse Fish, and really I'd consider my role to be unique. Project manager, business development, sales, sometimes a laborer. I really help our ESP team members work on the solution that we've provided to our clientele to get a job to completion. I studied construction management at Colorado State University. I've got IICRC water and mitigation certifications. I have an OSHA 10. I really have a stack about this tall of stuff that I'm not going to bore you with. I'm a native to Colorado. I was born and raised in Golden, Colorado. I'm a fourth generation construction worker here. My great-grandfather was the founder of the Denver Brick Company. My father was a construction worker at Adolph Coors Company along with my grandfather. And really, I think that's what built my foundation of wanting to get into construction and the construction trades. Very impactful on my life. And I really feel that growing up with people that were senior leadership to me, being my father and my grandfather in the construction world, it allowed me to really become who I am today. My hobbies and passions are very broad, but I'm a pretty serious outdoorsman, my family as well. So a lot of times on the weekends, you'll find us out hunting, fishing, camping. I've been a baseball coach, assistant baseball coach to my son for the last 6 years. And just very, very active in doing stuff in the outdoors. But we're also very big dog people. My family and I, we have 4 dogs, and we take our dogs just about everywhere we go. I'm personally motivated daily with my relationship with God. It helps give me guidance. It gives me support in what I do at work, with my work family, and in my home life. So the people out there that are thinking about getting into our industry, this is the advice I would give you. Just go for it. You know, I tell a lot of people, a lot of times, the restoration industry found me. I grew with it. I definitely put in the hard work and the effort. But it's also the people I believe that you're connected with and the people that you align with that really give you an opportunity to see what the industry truly has to offer to each individual. The most rewarding thing at the end of the day is that we get an opportunity to help people.